magically pop out. Hey everyone, Awesome for Kids here, and today we're going to learn colors by making Play-Doh rainbow popsicles. Let's start with this ball of red Play-Doh. These Play-Doh rainbow popsicles are really easy to make if you have a 3D book mold. I got this from one of the Play-Doh sets. While I make this popsicle, how about we name some things that are red? Apples are red, strawberries are red, what else? Fire trucks are red, Marshall from Paw Patrol has a red outfit, and stop signs are red. Now it's your turn. Keep listing things that are red until I finish making this. Oh, sorry to interrupt if you're listing things off, but I just wanted to add that you'll also need some popsicle sticks to complete this. And it's finished. Here is a red popsicle. Hopefully you're able to list off a lot of things that are red. Now let's use this orange Play-Doh to make another popsicle. Okay, time to name some things that are orange. An orange is orange. Carrots are orange. So are pumpkins. Tigger from Winnie the Pooh is also orange. Now it's your turn. Name as many as you can while I finish this up. Orange popsicle. Now let's move on to the color yellow. You know the drill. I'll start this off. Let's see. Lemons are yellow. SpongeBob SquarePants is yellow. Bananas are yellow. And minions who love bananas are also yellow.
Banana.
Okay, it's your turn again. Start listing them off. Is a yellow popsicle. Let's keep this going. Our next color is green. I'll start it off once again. Granny Smith apples are green. Four-leaf clovers. Oh, kiwis are green. And Gecko from PJ Masks is green. You ready to list off what you know? All right, go. Check out this perfect green popsicle. The next color we'll be checking out is blue. Oh, I know some things that are blue. Catboy from PJ Masks is blue. Chase from Paw Patrol has a blue outfit. And blueberries are blue. I'm sure you know a lot of things that are blue too. Start listing it. And it's finished. Here is a blue popsicle. We have one more color to go. This is the color purple. Now let's see. Grapes are purple. Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony is purple. And we can't forget Sophia the First. She has a purple amulet. Now it's your turn. This up a bit. And here is a purple popsicle. High five, we did it. gonna be a rainbow one. Minus an actual rainbow. It's going to be pretty hard to name some things that are rainbow. But if you can, give it a try.